Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, not necessarily because it was a red day, but just from a technical point of view, broke down below a couple of key levels here. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $1.65 going to be that near-term area of resistance now, where if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, $1.65 will be that first key battleground point. But even if the price does break above there, you'd now also have this 50-period moving average, that purple line there, applying pressure in the downwards direction. So like I said, step one is still getting up above $1.65. There's no doubt about that. But my point here is just because the price, if it were to break above $1.65, that does not mean that it's clear skies or anything like that, because you then have that purple line, which going through the history of the chart, you can see has a pretty brutal history of also knocking the price back down. So, yeah, it's definitely going to be a challenge for this thing to get turned around. Doesn't make it impossible, but, yeah, I mean, it's definitely going to take a lot of strength on the bulls' part to get it done. As far as levels of support are now concerned, first key level to watch moving forward going to be $1.59, which, so far so good, did a good job of holding strong. But if that level can't quite hold up, next key area of support after that would then be down there at $1.52. So overall, not the greatest way to start off the week, but it is just the start of the week. So still several days left, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.